Alright guys, with the holiday season fast approaching, it's very important to have your style fine-tuned so you can dress to impress. You need to have some stylish options in your closet so that you're dressed appropriately for everything that the holiday season brings. Whether that's shopping, hanging with family, going out with friends, going to parties, whatever it is, you gotta look on point. So for this video, I've teamed up with American Eagle to show you guys a range of different options so that you can be looking fresh this fall and winter. I've got everything from denim to shirts to outerwear, and it's all part of the American Eagle gift guide. Not only might these be perfect for you, but they can also make for great gift options depending on who you're shopping for. So I'm going to point out what I like about each one of these things for me personally and who I would gift them to. I'm going to link all of these items and the American Eagle gift guide down in the description, and there's a bunch of different options on there. Regardless of what your personal style is, streetwear, basics and essentials, edgy clothing, casual stuff, whatever it is, American Eagle has got you covered. So let's get into this video. I'm going to point out my favorite options right here. Let's roll. First up, I'm going to start off with what I'm wearing and hanging right here. Flannels. You already know the deal. Plaid shirts and flannels will always be in style this time of year. Everyone has their own personal preference when it comes to flannels, but this year I've been preferring designs that are a little bit more loud and colorful, and that's pretty much the trend with everything I'm going to show you here. This one that I'm wearing I really like, so I got it paired with a white undershirt, and that really brings out that whiter tone. So definitely a nice option right here. And then this yellow and black joint, honestly, this is probably my favorite item out of everything I'm going to show you guys in this video. I really like the color blocking on here. The plaid is very big, so it's not a small plaid design like the shirt I'm wearing. Each one of the blocks within this design is big and it really stands out. So this is definitely something that is bold with this yellow flashing. As far as gifting goes, you can never go wrong with giving someone a flannel. Who doesn't like to rock a flannel this time of year? I mean, everyone does. So any guy or girl can wear this thing and it'd be the perfect family gift. Next up, we have a super unique sweatshirt. This is a Sherpa pullover hoodie, and as you can see, this is not your traditional sweatshirt. For one, it's got this Sherpa material which makes it super cozy. This thing is not shy on fall and winter colors. You got a forest green for the body, a maroon right sleeve, a navy left sleeve, a gray hood, and then white drawstrings. If you want to spice up your hoodie game, I mean, this is a perfect addition to that collection. Me personally, right now I have a lot of just basic sweatshirts, and that's great. I wear them all the time, but I really need more options like this. Statement sweatshirts. I can't just rely on basic hoodies. I really want to stand out a little bit, and you can definitely do that with something like this. Okay, next up, we got to talk about some denim because that is very important. One of the biggest ways to be stylish is to have a good pair of jeans. One that fits you well, one that looks good, and you feel comfortable in. So that's exactly what I've got for you guys here. American Eagle is honestly a great place to check out all different cuts, styles, and washes of denim because they've got it all. Everything from straight and relaxed fit to slim and skinny. My personal preference is slim and skinny fit jeans. However, I wanted to switch a couple things up this season, and I'm doing it with this exact pair. So this is a pair of skinny fit flex denim. However, the ankle area isn't like painted on your ankle, and it's not to the point that you can't easily get these on and off. I like skinny fit denim, but sometimes it can look a little bit odd with boots, and obviously I'm going to be wearing those a lot given where I am. That was one thing that bothered me. I really didn't like wearing super tight pants and then these big clunky boots. So this pair of skinny fit denim is a little bit wider towards the ankle area, so it's more of like a slim fit opening, but still it has that nice progressive taper that I like. It gives me options. I can hang the pants over the tongue or tuck them in. They're versatile in that way. If any of you guys shop at American Eagle or have shopped there, let me know something you've bought that you really like. If you have any recommendations on their stuff, let me know. Leave a comment. Let's chop it up. I checked out their entire selection, and honestly, there's a lot of good options right there. So point me in the right direction. Okay, and then next up, you know we got to talk about some outerwear, and I've said how I want to go bold. I want to go vibrant. I want to go somewhat loud with my outerwear this winter, and this jacket right here, man, this accomplishes that. This is a puffy corduroy jacket. Now this thing is large and in charge. If you go ahead and grab this, I would recommend going a size down, or if you want to go true to size, it'll give a super puffy look. There's a lot of cool things about this jacket. Obviously, the color is really what made it stand out to me. It's just crazy. This is not necessarily something that I would wear every single day or every single weekend. This is a statement jacket and perfect to wear to a holiday party. It's just gonna get people's attention. And the fact that it's corduroy, can I just talk about that? The fact that this thing is a puffy jacket striped with color and then the material is corduroy, it's just such a fun jacket and I'm excited to have it. It's got a zipper and button front closure, and then on the inside is a nice Sherpa fleece. So this thing is crazy warm and cozy. Definitely a cool option to have in your closet. And then switching it up to a more menswear piece, we've got this plaid top coat. So the design is more of like a Mac coat because it doesn't have those peak lapels that a lot of the traditional top coats have. You don't see this type of pattern mixed with this style jacket that often. It's a very clean menswear look as it is, or you can wear a sweatshirt underneath it like a hoodie and give it more of a streetwear style look. That's just something that I've always done. Taking menswear stuff and making it streetwear. This is the perfect outerwear piece to do that. It's got a nice quilted inside lining that'll make it a little bit more warm, and the overall quality and craftsmanship of this stuff is really nice. So if you want to shop any of it, again, it'll be linked down in the description. There's also going to be a link there to subscribe to the American Eagle YouTube channel where you can check out more of what they got going on over there. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video and subscribe for me one time. I've got a lot more fall and winter content on the way, as well as holiday stuff. So check down in the description, and again, thank you guys for the support. Always, I don't have opportunities like this unless you guys support me the way you do. So thank you again. I'll catch you next time. Peace.